Here's the old speedometer intact. Now they both have this chrome on it, but the chrome has little tiny rust pits. It's really bad news. But I'm going to leave these. I was going to put brand new ones on, I'm not sure. But I'm thinking about leaving these just because that's the way I bought it. This guy Craig, he's the guy who sold it to me for $100 years ago. And I put a lot of miles on this bike. But some stuff is historical, and I think this here, we might just leave this on here.
These are my instruments, and I decided to leave the original faceplates on since it was built in August of 1971, and it shows the life of the motorcycle. It gives it the personality. I was going to replace them, but I said, you know what, forget it. I'm just keeping these right on here.